Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nick Hill drumming. Nick Hill, the drum teacher from Tadley. This is little Henry. Say hi, Henry.
Hi.
This is his first drum lesson. And so you're going to show me what you've learnt today, Henry. You're going to show me Peppa Pig. How about Batman? So now try it again. Do you remember? 2 hits on each drum.
At a time.
Oh, that's it.
20 press ups.
Don't worry. Nick drops his sticks now and then, don't you, Nick?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Go then. That's it.
That was a good one.
One more. Come on, one more go. Wow, that's good. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Well done. Right, now hit every drum. Show me what you can do.
Everything.
Hit everything. Go. Wow. Well done, Henry.